Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Let me try to sit up. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video is one of my herbal and art newsletter kind of videos. And that's where I give you my news, my updates in video form rather than email form. So I do have a newsletter, however, I have not been very consistent with it this past year. Things are going to change. I have helpers now who will be taking over my newsletter. I'll be typing out the newsletter and they will just be making sure it gets sent out. So if you've signed up and you haven't received one in a while, it's because I am changing over some format things and I had to enlist actual other help. In the meantime, I'm delivering my newsletter like this. If you want to receive my free ebook on all you need to know about making herbal tea, you can go over to my website and sign up for my newsletter that I haven't been putting out, but sign up for my newsletter and just put in the subject heading that you would like to get the free ebook, and I will email that to you right away. So what else is in news? I would say first and foremost, I am offering a Black Walnut Tincture making class September 9th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that is a Zoom class, unless you're a local person and you want to come and do it with me live. That class is, it's not free. I'm charging $25 per person. And the reason being, I've already offered free videos on making tinctures, but this is so that you can actually have some feedback, some instructions, some one-on-one, well, maybe not one-on-one, but a small group attention for making your black walnut tincture. Because it seems like even though I do give information in the video, sometimes it's really helpful to have an actual teacher giving you that in-person, in-live person feedback while you're making the tincture. So to get a ticket, you have to click on my link wall down below in my description. It will be right under my Etsy link. And in that link wall are all my other links, and one of them towards the bottom says Black Walnut Class. So you have to click on there, buy a ticket. I'd love to see you in my Black Walnut Class. And a lot of the instruction will apply to making other tinctures, but I am focusing on black walnut because it is closing in on black walnut season and is my favorite herbal tincture to make, my favorite herbal remedy. So I really hope to see you in that class. What else is in my news? So my Etsy store, that is my first link in the description down below. I have been slowly adding extra items to that store. I recently put a hyssop glycerite in there, which is very delicious, by the way. Good for the bronchioles, good for breathing, good for opening up space in the head and in the lungs. And then I also just recently added my tooth powder, which you get a pretty large amount. It's a 1 ounce tin, and 1 ounce of dried powdered herbs is a lot. It should last you a few months. So that is new. That is in my Etsy store. And then also, please follow me on Instagram. I'm at Sheep Hill Herbs. At Sheep Hill Herbs on Instagram. And I'm on there every day, posting stories every day, putting a new post just about every day. I would say that's, besides my videos, that's where I am most active. So you can really follow along with me there. I have my art there. I do a lot more with my art on my Instagram. And I take commissions for my rug hookings, which are my wool strip, kind of like woven artwork. And I do them with spirit-filled intention. It is to be a healing piece of art for your home, a spiritual piece of art for your home. I take commission on pretty much any subject matter. Recently, I've been doing plants and cacao. I did 2 ceremonial cacao rugs for some friends. And then I've been making these little square pieces. You can see that if you go over there. They're for cups of tea or cups of coffee or cups of cacao. And they're basically like a little rug hooking coaster. I call them little rugs for little mugs. And those are much more affordable than my larger pieces. It takes a lot of hours to make one, but I love making them and I love infusing my spirit into them. So those are like the three main big things that I want to share today in my news, my video news. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video. Check my descriptions. Please interact with this channel. So YouTube runs advertisements on some of my videos. So after you get a certain amount of views, they start running advertisements. They do not contribute to my channel or to me. You have to meet certain criteria from YouTube to start getting some kind of monetization, and it's a lot to meet that criteria. So when you purchase through my descriptions or click on links through my descriptions, that does contribute to the channel, to me. So that will help me to share more videos and to post more, and just is a wonderful reward for what I feel I'm giving in material and education. So I hope that you love this channel. I hope you come back, and I hope you tell some friends. Thanks.